In this video, I want to share with you 4 low competition food niches for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I get into those 4 low competition food niches, I just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So yesterday I had a pretty good day, 35 sales, $64 in royalties. Today it is 12:15 p.m., right around noon at the time of this recording, and I have 6 sales for $15. That is going to put me for the month at $2,132, and this is a record for me. I've never done this amount of royalties, so very cool. I was able to get to 2,000, which was my goal. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, just like photos down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years, so the link is in the description. But now let's go ahead and get into those food niches. Now, just to let you know, these are niches that are going to be very low in competition, and they're not going to have like amazing BSRs. But if you're into niches that are low in competition, then I think you're gonna like this video. So the first low competition food niche that I have for you is Racket Cheese. Now, this is a type of European cheese, I believe. I don't know the exact country that it's from, but this is what it looks like right here. I think, yeah, it's from Switzerland probably. But the reason this is popular is because this is actually a family tradition of mine, is that the way that you eat this, so that what you do is you get these like little machines like right here, and then you melt the cheese, and then you pour it on top of potatoes, cold cuts, things like that. And it's very popular in Europe and in some American families like my own. I actually still do this every year with my family. But if we take a look at the competition, we're going to see that there's only 45 results, and there isn't a second page, so I can't show you, and we are going to be able to see that these designs are selling. So you had me at Racket, has a BSR, $19.99. Again, you had me at Racket, so this looks like it could be a good option right here. It has a 765 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. Now, some popular phrases that you can use for this are like, is obviously you had me at Racket, or you could say like, just a girl that loves Racket, or, I love Racket and maybe 3 other people. There's like these popular design styles that you've probably seen over and over again. You can make it a design like that, and you can just pop in the word Racket or Racket Cheese. If we go to test, I didn't see anything pop up, but always do your research. Again, I still don't really understand how this new upsell trademark search works, but I'm not seeing anything, at least on this first page. And if we take a look at the competition on other websites like Etsy, we're going to see this one only has 679 results. Redbubble is sitting at only 145, and some of them are in French. So this could be, maybe it is a French cheese, I'm not sure. But if you know French, you might be able to even differentiate yourself even more by doing some French designs. And if we take a look at TeePublic, we're going to see that there's only like 6 designs right here. Now, I did go to Creative Fabrica to see if I can find any designs, but I wasn't really able to find anything. So you're probably just going to have to go with like a funny text design for this, or you might be able to find a cheese image somewhere else on the internet. But that is the first low competition food niche that I have for you, and it is this niche right here, that is Racket Cheese. And then the next low competition food niche that I have for you is Miso Soup, and this is what Miso Soup looks like. I don't know exactly what country it's from, maybe Japan, but you can let me know in the comments. Oh, I got a sale, 3 cruise shirts, nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then if we go back and take a look at the competition, there's only 181 results. And when I go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 181 results right here. So this is low in competition, and this is what some of the designs look like. And I really like this niche because you can get pretty creative with it. So me so happy, like you do me so happy. You could also do me so hungry, me so smart, me so cute, me so tired, me so lonely, Like right here, you can see how they're doing all the different ones. And you just gotta get some cute little clip art like this, something very simple. And you just put text on the top and on the bottom, and we can see that these are selling. Now, they don't have the best BSRs, but they can help you get some extra sales for the month to help your bottom line. If we take a look to see if this is trademarked, now there are a whole bunch, but they're not in the t-shirt category. So you can see they're all in the 029 class. That is probably some type of food class. If we take a look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 1,200 results, so very low in competition. Redbubble, let's see the competition there. I was going to say only, but 767, which is under 1,000, so which is still my sweet spot, which I think is still good. So low in competition on Redbubble as well. And TeePublic, I think I might have, actually no, I did remember. So it looks like just a lot of clip art, not too many text designs except for this one right here. But you see that this is pretty easy to design for. You just do Miso, the clip art, and then the type of emotion basically. If you go to Creative Fabrica, they do have some clip art like here. You can use this stuff, or maybe this one right here, or maybe this bundle right here has some good stuff. You just have to make sure that it comes with the print on demand special license. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have a link in my description. It's the third link right here, this one right here. Now it is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission, but I highly recommend Creative Fabrica. It's where I get pretty much all my clip art for my designs for Merch by Amazon. But that is the second low competition food niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here, Miso Soup. And then the third low competition food niche that I have for you is chili cook-off. In the United States, it's very popular for cities to have these chili cook-offs. I love eating chili. There's only 260 results for this keyword right here, and when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 260 results, so low in competition. This is what some of the designs look like. I need to refresh it so we can see some of the BSRs, but we can see that, you know, they have reviews, so that means they are selling. You can do some simple designs like this, like Chili Cook-Off Champion, Chili Cook-Off Squad. You know, just get some ideas here. But Chili Cook-Off Champ. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, I didn't see anything pop up for Chili Cook-Off. But again, always do your due diligence or research. If we go to Etsy, take a look at the competition there. I'm only seeing 1,100 results. Redbubble, there was only 59 results. Probably do some good stickers. I also saw aprons. I thought that could be a good idea as well, since a lot of people are going to be obviously cooking the chili. Maybe they want to wear something that says Chili Cook-Off. And if we go to TeePublic, this is what some of the designs look like. Again, we're seeing that Chili Cook-Off Squad, Chili Cook-Off Champion. Those seems to be like the most popular. Or this is my Chili Cook-Off shirt. That could be another one. So you can get some ideas here. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, I was able to find some clip art that you can use for your design. So that is the third low competition food niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here, Chili Cook-Off. And then the last low competition food niche that I have for you guys is menudo, and menudo is a dish from Mexico. In my opinion, I think it's disgusting, but some people really like it. Basically, it is cow or pig tripe, which is the intestine lining. This is what it looks like right here. It's basically like a soup. It's very popular on Sunday mornings when people are hungover. If we take a look at this keyword in Amazon, we're going to see there's only 65 results, so very low in competition. You're not going to need to run ads for this niche or these niches because they're pretty much all so low competition. But anytime it's under like 100 results, no need really to run ads. But this niche is low in competition, and it is selling. So we can see the BSRs. This one has a 520,000 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. Let's take a look at some of these designs. So you can't spell menudo without me and you. That's kind of funny. Survey said today, menudo tomorrow. So again, menudo is very like correlated with beer and being hungover. That's why you're going to see a lot of these other shirts that say crudo. Crudo is Spanish for hungover or hangover. You can do something like this. You had me at menudo, just a girl that loves menudo. I love menudo and maybe 3 other people. You know, things like that. Maybe do something with some retro colors. Sundays are for menudo. So that's what the some of the designs look like. Now it looks like there actually is a trademark for menudo in the 025 category, which I thought was kind of strange, because if we go back to Amazon right here and then we go to sort by, and we click on new, we're going to see that there's some designs that were actually just recently uploaded with the word menudo. Here with this what's it called, extension, we can actually see when these were uploaded, and these were uploaded just like this month actually. So December, I think this first one right here says December 17th. Yeah, so December 17th, 2023. So not too sure what the deal is. It looks like these ones are getting through, but as always, just do your research and proceed with caution. That's why I saved this one towards the end. But just letting you know that it looks like there is a trademark, but the designs are getting through. So if you want to design for this one, maybe just go over to like some of the other websites like Etsy. We're going to see there's only 900 results. Redbubble, only 78. Got menudo. That's kind of funny. You had me at menudo. And take a look at TeePublic. Menudo is better than pozole. That's another Mexican dish that's kind of similar to menudo. It's just like without the stripe, the intestines. And then let's see, nope, not really anything on Creative Fabrica for this keyword. But that is going to be the fourth niche that I have for you. This one right here is called Menudo. It's a very popular Mexican dish that Mexicans eat on Sunday, usually when they're hungover. But that is going to be the video for today. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, I know you guys are wanting like trending niches, but I just haven't really been able to find anything as of late. It's just the time of year. January is a slow time, so expect sales to not be as jamming as they were in Q4. But you never know, maybe things could pick up here. But I will try and get some trending niches for you. That's going to be it for today. I'm recording this on the 31st, but you're probably going to be watching it on the 1st. So Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you guys got your goals set up and you got your New Year's resolutions. That's going to be it for today. For me, the diet starts tomorrow, so I'm ready to attack this 2024 with all my goals. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.